Hi and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. My name's Darren and I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the Toyota Auris Hybrid. This is the 1.8 HSDXL Touring Sports. So just recapping for you, this is the Toyota Auris. It's the 1.8 Hybrid HSD Touring Sports. Should you require any more information regarding this vehicle, please don't hesitate in contacting the dealership on 01733 267 606, or you can contact us via our Smith's Nissan website or our Smith's Motor Group website. Ping us an email and we'll respond as quickly as we can. Thank you very much.